In this video, I'll show you how to install Rainbow Six Mobile on Android. All you have to do is access the Google Play Store and then simply tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and then search for Rainbow Six. So just type in Rainbow Six and then search for it. And then from the search results, you should find this option, the Rainbow Six Mobile by Ubisoft Nova. Select it, and then all you have to do is simply tap on install and then allow the game to be installed on your device. Now once the game is installed, all you have to do is just launch it and you can now play the game. So let's just wait. Now once the game is installed, all you have to do is tap on play from the Google Play Store, or you can simply navigate to the apps menu on your phone and find Rainbow Six, and now you can launch the game from there. So that's basically it on how to install Rainbow Six Mobile on Android. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.